G'day, here's over a kilo of seam knobby opal. It's just basically potch. There might be a few pieces of colour, but I'm just selling it as potched for backing to make doublet and triplets out of. Some of it's reasonably large in size, some of it, like this piece, is white but it's got a flash in it. I'll just zoom in and get a better look. Okay, here's that black piece I was showing you earlier. Black centre, ideal for doublet or triplet. Here's this white piece. It's got a bit of a red flash in it here. There's the green showing. But if there's any colour in it, it's a bonus. There's another piece with a bit of colour. A lot of it's darker grey rather than black, fortunately. You might even find a gem. But like I said, it's really being sold as potch for backing. There's a little seam there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.